Namaskar. Geography of Punjab. India is a land of diversities in the planet Earth. Geography of India is an essential subject to be studied by every citizen of the country. As a nation, India occupies a significant position in the world. It is a country known for its unique culture, history, heritage, natural resources and human capital. India is a union of states. For administrative reasons, the country is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. Each part of India is unique in its geography, culture, language and socio-economic conditions. Punjab is one of the prominent states in India. The main objective of learning this lesson is to know about its geographic setting, people, governance and contributions in the country. Thus, in this chapter, the following aspects highlighting the Indian state Punjab are discussed in detail. First, the physiographic setting. Second, the climate, rainfall, land cover and religions. Third, the administrative divisions, population and education. Fourth, geology, economic resources and contributors. Fifth, culture, history, tourism and unique features of the state as a whole. The state's capital is Chandigarh, Blackbuck is the state animal and northern goshawk and shisham are the state's bird and tree respectively.
The physiographic setting. Punjab is located in northwestern India with a total land area of 50,362 square kilometers and is almost triangular in shape. It lies between the northern latitudes of 29 degrees 30 minutes to 32 degree 32 minutes and eastern longitudes of 73 degrees 55 minutes to 76 degrees 50 minutes.
It is bounded on the west by Pakistan, on the north by Jammu and Kashmir, on the northeast by Himachal Pradesh and on the south by the states of Haryana and Rajasthan. Lying between the Yamuna river on the east and the Indus river on the west and the Shivalik hills on the northeast and North Punjab is actually a alluvial plain sloping from 350 meters above sea level in the northeast and the north to 180 meters in the southwest. The country of India has been divided into 3 major physiographic regions, namely the mountain region of the Himalayas, the Great Indo-Gangetic and Brahmaputra plains and the triangular plateau of the peninsula. Punjab falls in the second region, that is the Great Indo-Gangetic and Brahmaputra plains. Lofty mountains surround the entire state on its west, northwest and north boundaries. Pamir Knot, known as the roof of the world, is found in the extreme northwest. Hindu Kush, the tangle of hills on the northwest frontier merges into Sulaiman Range between the Punjab and northern Balochistan. After the partition of India in 1947, the Punjab province of British India was divided between India and Pakistan. The Indian Punjab was divided in 1966 with the formation of the new states of Haryana and Himachal Pradesh as well as the current state of the Punjab. The term Punjab comprises of 2 words, Panj meaning 5 and Ab meaning water, the land of 5 rivers, namely the Satluj, the Beas, the Ravi, the Chenab and the Jhelum. The region of Punjab has been the gateway to the Indian subcontinent for people from Greece, Central Asia, Iran and Afghanistan. The climate, rainfall, land cover and religions. The climate of Punjab is subtropical and is characterized by a monsoon weather pattern.
There are three distinct seasons: summer, April to June; monsoon season, July to September; winter, December to February; and the transitional seasons in Punjab are the post-monsoon season and the post-winter season.
Punjab experiences extreme temperatures both during summer and winter. In summer, the temperature goes up to 49 degrees Celsius and in winter it falls tremendously down. From April, the temperature starts rising and from December, the temperature starts falling. Annual temperatures in Punjab range from 1 degree Celsius to 46 degree Celsius but can reach up to 49 degrees Celsius in summer and 0 degrees Celsius in winter. The northeast area lying near the foothills of the Himalayas receives heavy rainfall, whereas the area lying further south and west receives less rainfall and experiences higher temperatures. Average annual rainfall ranges between 960 mm in the sub-mountain region and 460 mm in the plains.
Majority of Punjab people follow Sikhism, which is 60%, and the other religions are Hindus 37%, Muslims 1.5%, Christians 1.2% and others 0.4%. Administrative divisions, population and education. The administrative divisions of the state include 22 districts such as Amritsar, Barnala, Batinda, Firozpur, Fazilka, Fatehgarh Sahib, Faridkot, Gurdaspur, Hoshiarpur, Jalandhar, Kapurthala, Ludhiana, Mansa, Moga, Ajitgarh, Muktsar, Patiala, Roopnagar, Sangrur, Shahid Bhagat Singh Nagar, Taran Fazilka and Pathankot are newly built districts in Punjab in 2013.
The major cities in Punjab are Ludhiana, Moga, Jalandhar, Navanshahar, Amritsar, Patiala, Ajitgarh, Batinda. The mode of governance is parliamentary with a ceremonial state governor appointed by the President of India. The head of government is the Chief Minister, who is vested with most of the executive powers. The state legislature is the unicameral Punjab Legislative Assembly with 117 members elected from single seat constituencies. The population of Punjab is 2,77,04,236. The number of males are 1,46,34,819 and females are 1,30,69,417. The state's literacy rate is at present 75% according to 2011 census, with male literacy at 80.23% and female at 68.36%. About 66% of the people live in rural areas, while the rest of the 34% are urban residents. The scheduled caste population is 28.9%, the highest percentage of any Indian state. Education. The state is home to some of the premier educational and research institutions of India, such as Central Universities. Central University of Punjab, Batinda, Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law, Patiala, and Sant Langoval Institute of Engineering and Technology, Langoval. State Universities: Punjab University, Chandigarh; RIMT University, Mandi Gobindgarh; Baba Farid University of Health Sciences, Faridkot; Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar; Punjab Agricultural University, Ludhiana; Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar; Punjabi University, Patiala; Guru Ravidas Ayurved University, Hoshiarpur; Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Sciences University, Ludhiana; Shri Guru Granth Sahib World University, Fatehgarh Sahib; Lovely Professional University, Jalandhar; Thapar University, Patiala; Chandigarh University, Ajitgarh; Adesh University; Chitkara University, Rajpura; Desh Bhagat University, Guru Kashi University and DAV University, Jalandhar; Indian Institute of Technology, Ropar; Malaut Institute of Management and Technology, Malaut; Indian School of Business, Ajitgarh; Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Mohali; Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National University of Technology, Jalandhar; Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh; Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Ludhiana; Gyani Zail Singh College of Engineering and Technology, Batinda; Chandigarh College of Architecture; the Government Bikram College of Commerce, Patiala; Mohindra College, Patiala; Khalsa College, Patiala; Mata Gujri College, Fatehgarh Sahib; Khalsa College, Amritsar; Shri Guru Gobind Singh Khalsa College and Mahilpur by Sikh Education Council are some of the famous technical institutes of Punjab. The Punjab Agricultural University is a globally reputed institution for the study of agriculture and played a significant role in Punjab's Green Revolution. Economic resources and contributors. Economy. Punjab is one of the most fertile regions on the earth. According to the 2008 Global Hunger Index, Punjab has the lowest level of hunger in India. The region is ideal for wheat growing. Rice, sugarcane, fruits and vegetables are also grown. Indian Punjab is called the granary of India or India's breadbasket. It produces 10.26% of India's cotton and 2% of the world, 19.5% of India's wheat and 2% of the world, 11% of India's rice and 1% of the world. The Fazilka and Firozpur districts are the largest producers of wheat and rice in the state. The largest cultivated crop is wheat. Other major crops here are rice, cotton, sugarcane, pearl millet, maize, barley and fruit.
Rice and wheat are double cropped in Punjab, with rice stalks being burned off over millions of acres prior to the sowing of wheat. This widespread practice creates pollution and wastes.
In recent years, a drop in productivity has been observed mainly due to falling fertility of the soil. This is believed to be due to excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides over the years. Flora and fauna. The mango fruit is the largest cultivated fruit in the southeast of the Punjab. The fruit crops abundantly grown in the state are pomegranate, apple, peach, mulberry, fig, orange, quince, apricot, almond and plum. The Shivalik area of Punjab is the well-off in floral and faunal varieties. It is recognized as one of the micro-endemic zones of India. These floras take account of a mixture of species among the angiosperms. They are herbs, 355 species, trees, 70 species, shrubs, 70 species, climbers, 19 species, and twinners, 21 species. Further 31 species of pteridophytes, 27 of bryophytes, and 1 species of gymnosperms have also been recorded. The area is also rich in faunal diversity including birds, 396 species, Lepidoptera, 214 species, fish, 55 species, reptiles, 20 species, and mammals, 19 species. There are a number of wetlands, bird sanctuaries, and zoological parks across Punjab, which includes the Harike Patan National Wetland and Wildlife Sanctuary at Harike in Tarn Sahib district, the Kanjli Wetland, the Kapurthala Sutlej Waterbody Wetland, the Ropa Zoological Park Chatbir, Banzar Garden Sangrur, the Amkaz Bagh Sirhind, the Ram Bagh Garden Amritsar, the Shalimar Garden Kapurthala, and the Baradari Garden at Patiala, to name a few. Crocodiles are also generally found in local rivers. Punjab is well known for its skillfulness in silkworm rearing. The bees produce abundant wax and honey. Camels habitually thrive in the hot southern plains, and herds of buffaloes usually graze on the lands adjoining the rivers. Horses are reared in the northeast part of the Punjab. Among poisonous snakes are the cobra and the sangehur, the bite of which causes instant death. Industries. Other major industries include the manufacturing of scientific instruments, agricultural goods, electrical goods, financial services, machine tools, textiles, sewing machines, sports goods, tourism, fertilizers, bicycles, garments, and the processing of pine oil and sugar. Punjab also has the largest number of steel rolling mill plants in India, which are located in Steel Town, Mandi Gobindgarh, district Fatehgarh Sahib. Dairy industry. The primary source of milk and other dairy products in the state is the buffalo. The state ranks at the top in the country in the availability of milk after Haryana and Gujarat. Other resources. It has highest per capita generation of electricity in India, which is 2.5 times the national average. All of Punjab's villages have been electrified and connected to the state electrical power grid since 1974. Minerals and energy resources also contribute to the state's economy to a much lesser extent. Apart from these, there are other wings of economy of Punjab comprising of banking, finance, tourism, and real estates. With the beginning of globalization, the Punjab real estate industry is whirling towards a new phase of prosperity. Culture, history, tourism, and unique features of the state. Culture. Bhangra is one of the many Punjabi musical art forms that are increasingly being listened to in the West and is becoming a mainstream favorite. The traditional music of Punjab is increasingly becoming famous in the Western countries, where top musicians use Bhangra for their compositions. Punjabi people enjoy dancing in commonly celebrated harvest, festivals, and weddings. Men's dance style is of high energy called the Bhangra dance. Jhumar, Gidda are the dance forms of Punjabi women. The wedding ceremonies are celebrated with a great pomp and ritual commonalities. Punjabi wedding traditions and ceremonies are traditionally conducted in Punjabi and are a strong reflection of Punjabi culture. Punjabi dabas and Punjabi cuisine are very famous all throughout the world, and many private investors have started investing in Punjabi dishes. Sarson ka saag and makke ki roti are the examples of well-known appetizing dishes of Punjab. Chole bhature also is among the famous dishes from Punjab cuisine. The other popular dishes include naan, butter chicken, matar paneer, chicken, tandoori, samosas and pakoras. Yogurt is used as a side with almost every dish. Punjabi poems are famous all over the world because of its humbleness and hope-filled verses. Poems of famous poets are being translated into many languages. The traditional dress for Punjabi men is the Punjabi kurta and tehmat, which is being replaced by the kurta and pajama, especially the popular muktasari style in India. Patiala salwars is also very popular. History. Punjab was referred to as Panchanada during Mahabharata time. Cities like Harappa thrived during the Indus Valley civilization. The Vedic civilization along the length of the Saraswati river covered most part of northern India including Punjab. The region of Punjab was conquered by many ancient empires including the Gandhara, Nandas, Mauryas, Sungas, Kushans, Guptas, Palas, Gurjara Pratiharas and the Hindu Shahis. The explorations of Alexander was along the Indus River. Agriculture flourished and cities like Jalandhar and Ludhiana grew to be trading cities. The city of Takshila in Pakistan, founded by Taksh, the son of Bharat, who was the brother of Lord Ram, houses the oldest university in the world. Takshashila University, one of its teachers was the great Vedic thinker and politician Chanakya. Takshila was a great center of learning and intellectual discussion during the Maurya Empire. It is a UN World Heritage Site. The official language of Punjab remained Persian until the arrival of the British in the mid-19th century, where it was finally abolished and the administrative language was changed over to Urdu. Tourism. Tourism in Indian Punjab centers on the historic palaces and battle sites and the great Sikh architecture of the state and the surrounding region. Shrines, temples are notable attractions. Examples include various sites of the Indus Valley civilization, the ancient fort of Bathinda, the architectural monuments of Kapurthala, Patiala and Chandigarh, the modern capital designed by Le Corbusier. The Golden Temple in Amritsar is one of the major tourist destinations of Punjab and indeed India, attracting more visitors than the Taj Mahal. Lonely Planet Blue List 2008 has voted the Harmandir Sahib as one of the world's best spiritual sites. The various museums of interest are Maharaja Ranjit Singh Museum, Amritsar, Sangol Museum, Angol Singh War Memorial, Firozshah, Hoshiarpur Archaeological Museum in Vishveshwaranand, Rural Museum, Punjab Agricultural University, Kila Mubarak Patiala Museum of Armory and Channeliers, Art Gallery at Sheesh Mahal, Sports Museum, Netaji Subhash National Institute of Sports, Patiala, Guru Tej Bahadur Museum, Sri Anandpur Sahib, Khalsa Heritage Memorial Complex, Sikh Ajaibghar Mohali, Maharaja Ranjit Singh War Museum, Ludhiana and Shaheed-e-Azam Bhagat Singh Museum, Katkar, Kalan, to name a few. The various other sites of interest are tourism sites at dams, Ranjit Sagar Dam, Bakra Dam Nangal, Madhopur Headworks near Pathankot. Border areas: Wagah border Amritsar, Husainwala border Firozpur and Pul Kanjri near Amritsar. Transportation: the infrastructure of Punjab has been rated the best in India. Public transport in Punjab is provided by buses, auto rickshaws, Indian Railways and an international rail connection to Pakistan. The state has a large network of multi-modal transportation system. Air: Punjab has 5 civil airports. The Sri Guru Ramdas Ji International Airport in Amritsar is the largest and most important airport in the state and is also the second busiest in North India after Delhi Airport. Other airports in Punjab are Batinda Airport, Pathankot Airport, Patiala Airport, Sahanewal Airport. Rail: railways link nearly all the major as well as smaller cities of the state. Amritsar is the largest railway station connecting trains to all major cities. Shatabdi Express connects Amritsar to Delhi. The railway junction in Batinda is the largest in Asia. The Samjhauta Express is a joint venture between Indian Railways and Pakistan Railways and runs from Athari railway station near Amritsar in India to Lahore railway station in Punjab, Pakistan. Road: all the cities and towns of Punjab are connected with 4-lane roads National Highway. The Grand Trunk Road, also called as National Highway 1, connects Calcutta to Peshawar, passing through Jalandhar and Amritsar. Another major national highway connects Punjab to Jammu, passing through Hoshiarpur and Pathankot. The state road conditions are the finest in India. The national highways passing through the state are ranked the best in the country with widespread road networks that serve isolated towns as well as the border region. So far, we have seen some salient features of geography of the state. There are a lot more things to be studied about this state. We will see them in future modules. Thank you.